We're making a mold today of an ork killer can that I sculpted from scratch. We gotta get this hot to get this melted in there. Beautiful. We have two molds today, killer can and grot tank. Done. It's been about 12 hours since we poured that silicon. The silicon is certainly firm here, except where it's thin. That hasn't cured yet. But unfortunately, we ran out of silicon for this one. All that's left is sort of the sad dregs in the bottom that has sort of thickened up because it's a bit old now. This is what I was hoping to get cast today. This is my grot tank, half mech, half demon. This little chunky bit is a sprue that gets cut off. We will order some more silicon. In the meantime, I've been soaking some miniatures in isopropyl alcohol to add to my ork army. The kind of resin that Curtis uses isn't like typical casting resin. The quality is awesome, but the resin's more brittle. And sometimes they need a little wash first. As I've started to dabble into making my own miniatures, I've got really interested in the kinds of materials that other people use. You realize how diverse miniature making materials are. This is an entirely different resin to this, and this, and this, and this, and this one, and this PVC is different to this one, and this one, and this one. And I think also this one. And all these 3D print materials are different, and injection molded plastics are all different too. And I came to this realization because I've spent the last few days organizing my bits box. Things are definitely about to get crazy. Let's make more ork bikes. I'm thinking this ork riding this. Right? Obviously. This kind of looks like a thing. I need an ork to ride this. I'm looking for a very particular ork. It's definitely here somewhere. Found it. That's it. When I was learning to mold and cast miniatures, I met this guy called Pablo, and he's a legend. He sculpted this model. This is Willy, and Willy is in fact not an ork. He is a human. Disguised, indoctrinated, enslaved, we don't know. But he's based off a 2nd edition ork Gretchen. I think Willy deserves his own war bike. Oh, that's great. Enjoy your war bike, Willy. I'm thinking something like this for that gigantic bike thing that orks have. So this base model I think is really cool and really menacing, but I want to do something interesting with the head. Oh, that's awful. No, surely I couldn't. This is really not okay. I have an idea. My Chaos Ork army needs Gretchen in it. And my solution was these. But I think it'd be far more... Yeah, okay. We use night goblins. Curtis, who made those models and those... Yeah, well, he gave me all these bits, which are mostly guns. I think this will work. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is it. Guns. Right-handed guns. Right-handed guns. There you go. Look, this is rad, right? Ah, man, okay. Okay, let's make a couple more. Sorry, I don't mean to get distracted. I am... Ta-da! My Chaos Ork Gretchen. You know what time it is though? We can crack this open. I'm excited. I am very, very excited right now. It's been a long time since I've done this. I can't even. Yes. Okay. Okay, this looks promising. I'm actually kind of nervous. Ooh. Oh, just like that. Beauty. Yes. Let's run it again. Oh. Why was that all... What? The resin must... I must not have shaken the resin well enough. Because that is not cured right. I'm going to head to bed. It's very early in the morning. I do want a successful cast, but you know, sometimes you just gotta call it a night, you know? Today, when I try that casting, I'm going to shake it really well. I'm going to mix the pigment in part B, not when it's already mixed together. Hopefully, this works. While that resin is cooking, I want to let you into my brain a little bit. I've started carrying a little notebook with me so I can jot down my ideas and draw little sketches. And this is what I'm thinking. I want all my trucks to sort of be weird animal hybrids. This is an anglerfish. I was thinking maybe a dragon as well. I'm thinking it's either going to be a stumper, gorkanaut, or a death dread. And I want it on these spindly little legs, but I want it to be quite big, so I'm thinking I gotta screw it into the base. It's just an idea. I don't know, I've really benefited from writing down my notes. Like, I have more, like I'll tease a couple little things. I don't want any comments about these pages, okay? I don't want you to get excited to make things uncool, okay? But I am so excited. Oh, no. I don't get this at all. It's sort of like something is inhibiting the curing from... See, it's sticky. It's sticky and glossy and gross. Why? Let's try this again. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. If this doesn't work, something is very off. Oh, I tell you, if this doesn't work. Oh, come on. What the... Why are you like this? And yet, this mold isn't tacky. Why? Why? There's something funny going on here. Because the whole thing is tacky. What on earth? I have an idea. Okay, get cold, please. Okay. I'm hoping that heat might have got rid of any, like, clay or something, or anything that might be inhibiting the curing process. I don't know. It's a guess. If this doesn't work, I genuinely have no idea what to do. I guess it better work, huh? Please work. Yes, maybe. Oh. Yes. Okay. That worked. Why? Why did that work? Why did that work? It's fully cured this time. What are you?